Hello everyone, myself Sneha Balga. I am studying in University of Agriculture Science Dharwad, College of Agriculture Vijaypur. Submitted to Dr. S.Y. Mukherjee, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Animal Science, College of Agriculture Vijaypur. My topic is about retention of placenta. First we should know what is the placenta. Placenta is an essential organ for the parental transfer of nutrients and oxygen from the dam to the fetus. Placenta is also known as the fetal membranes. The normal separation of the fetal membranes consists of a complex hormonal process that starts before the parturition in the cows, which drops within the short time after the birth. In cattle, the fetal membrane are expelled within 12 hours after parturition. It is in the normal case. Failure to expel fetal membranes within 24 hours after parturition. If the placenta is not expelled within certain time, 12 hours of post-calving, it is defined as the retained placenta. It is the condition where all or the parts of the placenta or membranes are left behind in the uterus during the third stage of the labor. Retained placenta creates a number of problems. Let's see what are the problems. First one, pulling of the microorganisms into the uterus, which causes the inflammation. Decreased milk yield. Third one, longer calving intervals. Fourth one, reduction of the fertility. These pictures show the difference between the normal cow and retained placental cow. Etiology: nutritional deficiency like selenium deficiency, vitamin A, D and E deficiency causes the retention of the placenta. Next one, lack of the uterine contractions. Then when the cow produces twin calves, the uterus becomes weak, which causes the retained after the birth. In cases of milk fever, the lack of muscle power can weaken the animal and reduce its ability to push out or expel the placenta. Dirty cattle shed also lead to the early infection of the placenta that may cause the inflammation. Clinical features: portion of the placenta hanging from the vulva 12 hours or more after the calving, severe straining, discharge with a fetid odor, fever. Next, moderate to severe symptoms of metritis or septic matrices. These are all the pictures of the clinical features of the retention of the placenta. Treatment: trimming of the hanging placenta or manual removal or separation of the placentum with fingers carefully by a veterinarian. Antibiotics: these are deposited into the uterus. Examples: intrauterine and systemic UteriGuard, Lenovo, intrauterine, liquid tetramycin. Oral ecobolics: ecobolics are the drugs which increases the uterine contractions. Example, him ROP, Replanta. These are the pictures of the treatments of the retention of the placenta. Prevention: supplementation of the vitamin E and selenium, which prevents the retention of the placenta. Good control of feeding and condition during the dry period and avoiding the cows become the overfat. Also prevent the retention of the placenta in the cattle. Supplementation with balanced vitamin and mineral mixture in prepartum period. Proper immunization against a specific infection mainly prevent the retention of the placenta. Thank you.